November 2002 November, and in April 2003 we licensed a bunch of molecules out of NIH and other places, and we started Actis Biologics, and this was out of my garage. We got all these molecules, then we had to, how do we commercialize it? So went to the VCs, and the VCs said, yeah, we'd be interested, but then I knew the VCs would end up taking a big chunk of the company away. And the scientific group who had got this from had already had better experiences on that, and so they said, listen, how can we do this better without giving away a big chunk of the company? So we said, let's look at India. And so I started exploring India.
संजीव ने भारत लौटने पर कई दिन एक्सप्लोर करने में बिताए कि किस तरह और कहां वो अपनी कंपनी की शुरुआत कर सकते हैं।
2003 to 2004, 2005 was an exploration stage for me here in India as to how we can do things. We looked at partnerships, talked to various companies from Reddy's, Natco, Shanta, Wockhardt, etc., looking at partnerships with most of these companies. And we had very good response from every one of them wanting to partner with us. The government of India needed something like this. We had the technologies. The cost of doing things in India were so low that it made sense for us to actually form a company here.
अपने वेंचर एक्टिस बायोलॉजिक्स की शुरुआत में संजीव को कुछ कम मुश्किलों का सामना नहीं करना पड़ा, पर ये उनके सपनों पर उनका विश्वास ही था जो उनके आगे बढ़ने में मददगार साबित हुआ।
We started looking for a small space where we could sit down. Our initial office was actually the lobby of JW Marriott. DBT came here for an interview with us to make sure that we were actually real, and we had our first meeting in Worli at Innovasense, Futura's offices, and so, you know, at that time we didn't have any funds. So our first investment initially was our savings, etc. And subsequently we had the technologies transferred from the US into this company. And that was the birth of Actis Biologics Private Limited.
अपनी कंपनी के जरिए आज संजीव कैंसर जैसी कुछ खतरनाक और जानलेवा बीमारियों पर रिसर्च कर रहे हैं। एक्टिस बायोलॉजिक्स द्वारा अपनाए जाने वाले कुछ खास टेक्निकल रिसर्च और मेडिकेशन से आज काफी लोगों को फायदा मुनासिब हो सका है।
Really, if you think about biotech is a way of correcting the body, and so that's what Actis is all about. We are not into giving drugs to people. It is, if we can create that same harmony which the body is in, if we can create that harmonious state back, that's what we are all about. So start looking at, if you can give a drug to the body, you have to continuously give it every day, every hour, every 5 hours or whatever. But if you can give a drug through gene therapy, you give it once, and the body has that over the next 6 months, it corrects itself. So, you know, it becomes a curative mechanism, and that's what we decided to look at.
संजीव और उनकी कंपनी का मुख्य उद्देश्य है आम जनता को बायोटेक्नोलॉजी की सुविधा उपलब्ध कराना, और इस मकसद को पूरा करने के लिए वो और उनकी कंपनी जी तोड़ मेहनत कर रही हैं।
When you look at the common man, the common man is not interested, when they go to a doctor, they're not interested in the doctor telling them, you know, this is the diagnosis, or go and try this, go and try that. They go to the doctor, I've got this problem, can you fix me? So what Actis Biologics is trying to do is give that one-stop solution to the doctor, to empower the doctor to take care of that problem for the consumer, for the patient. One is, we are coming out with devices which will help us in detection And ultimately these devices will be, as I mentioned earlier, with the spacer technology which we've acquired, we'll be able to deliver the drug where it's most important. The other part of it is to be able to make the drug so inexpensively that the consumer can afford it.
देश विदेश में भ्रमण करने के बाद संजीव ये पूरे दिल से मानते हैं कि भारत से बढ़कर और किसी देश में उन्हें अपनेपन का एहसास नहीं होता।
Well, I think India, having been in all these different places, the one thing which you miss most about India when you're overseas is you don't really have the togetherness which we had in India as we were growing up, between friends. You know, just being able to walk over to another friend's place or someone without necessarily even calling. The other side is also being able to get help as you try to move things forward. And I've tried to build actors. Trying to do this in the US would be pretty tough, in the sense not just from a fund standpoint, but also from, you know, as you have aging parents and you got a lot of responsibilities, taking care of your parents, etc., and the family. So here you can get all those kind of things, which is virtually impossible in a place like the States or in other countries.
संजीव की नजर में भारत जैसे विशाल